Hi, my name is Don Morrison and I'm a developer on the IBM Smart Business project in Rochester, Minnesota. In this video I'll discuss a new feature that will simplify administration tasks for customers who have installed more than one IBM Smart Cube. We call this new feature region support since it allows you to deploy your Smart Cubes across various geographic regions. But note that Smart Cube regions are flexible enough to support whatever topology works best for you. Here is an example of an IBM Smart Cube region. You can see that in this hypothetical business there are 3 locations with a total of 6 Smart Cubes distributed across those locations. Each Smart Cube hosts one or more applications. In this example, each location has its own email server, plus an application suite specific to the type of work performed at that location. As you will see in this demonstration, one of the benefits of defining your Smart Cubes in a region is that your administrator only has to register the users once to give them access to applications on any or all of the Smart Cubes in the region. As the number of users and Smart Cubes in your business grows, this feature will save you more and more time and money. Since Smart Business is all about simplicity, we've made sure that defining a region is easy. You simply log into the IBM Smart Market inventory to designate one Smart Cube as the manager of the region. We call this the primary Smart Cube. Then you select the other Smart Cubes that will participate in the region. We call these secondary Smart Cubes. And that's it. You've defined a Smart Cube region. At setup time, you will connect your new Smart Cube to the Internet. The Smart Cube calls home to the Smart Market inventory to find out which, if any, region it belongs to. Once it has this, it proceeds to configure itself to assume its proper role in the region. This really is a Smart Cube. Let's take a look at what a Smart Cube looks like once it is set up in a region. This is the Smart Cube administration panel, which is where the administrator can check the health of the Smart Cube's applications and services at a glance. As you can see, everything on this Smart Cube is running normally. Notice the region status button in the upper right corner. This appears only if your Smart Cube is part of a region. When you click that button, you see a list of all of the Smart Cubes in the region, the current status of each Smart Cube, and a summary of the outstanding messages on each Smart Cube. Note that there are 6 Smart Cubes in this region. If everything looks okay, you can go ahead and take a coffee break. However, if you see something that looks unusual, you can follow the link to investigate it further. If a Smart Cube is in unknown status, then there has probably been a network or system failure. An alert is shown on this panel, plus you can be notified by email if this happens. Here is the email message that you will receive when the Smart Cube detects that something may not be working properly. The email contains a description of the problem and a link to start the problem investigation actions on the affected Smart Cube. From here you can investigate the problem, take corrective action, or report the problem to IBM. This is a great example of the end-to-end integration provided by the Smart Cube. From problem detection to notification to analysis to reporting, it does it all. No more trying to figure out by yourself what went wrong and how to get help. Let's go back to the administrator panel and look at how your users are defined in the region. As mentioned before, in a region, you only have to register each user once to allow them to access applications on any Smart Cubes in the region. If you click the People link, you see the current list of users in the region. All Smart Cubes in the region have the same list of users. This is a big time saver if the administrator has lots of Smart Cubes and lots of users to manage. It's also much easier for your users because they only have to manage a single password for accessing all of the Smart Cubes. You could never go wrong with fewer passwords to remember. This concludes my demonstration of IBM Smart Cube regions. In summary, we have seen that a Smart Cube region is simple to define and set up, alerts the administrator when an unexpected network or system outage occurs, simplifies the administrator's job by having a single user database, simplifies password management for the users that need to access more than one Smart Cube. Now that you understand Smart Cube regions, be sure to check out the other Smart Business videos, and thanks for watching.